Hello guys, welcome to Night Tutorial channel. I'm gonna tell you how to remove green screen background from a video using CapCut PC with only a few clicks. We can remove a green screen background easily with CapCut PC. How? Just follow step on this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and activate the bell to get updates from Night Tutorial channel. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and create a new project. Next, import your videos to Project Media. Drag the background video and green screen video to the timeline. Cut the background video to match with green screen video. And play the video to see video before edit. Now click on the green screen video and on the cutout tab, check the chroma key checkbox. Pick green color from a green screen video with a color picker. Set the chroma key strength and shadow to get the result that you want. After that, you can play the video to see the result.
I didn't do it. Okay.
That's it. Simple and easy, right?
On a three, we're all gonna put down our guns. We'll put down our weaponry on the count of three. Ready? I'm ready. 1, 2.
Hope you like the tutorial and let me know what you think. If you have a request, feel free to leave a comment. See you on the next video. Thank you.